Good morning, DXN. Welcome to DXN, the world's largest Ganoderma producer. Started its journey in Jitra, a small town in Kadam, Malaysia in 1993.
Good morning, DXN Philippines. Magandang umaga muli, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And welcome to another edition of our Taste It Tuesday. The last time, nagluto po tayo with our Sinji ng isang fish recipe. Ginamitan natin siya sa lapu-lapu steam, with our Sinji. Today, we're going to show you how to use it with our favorite ulam, Filipino all-time favorite na adobo, using our all-time favorite din na manok or chicken. So stay with us as we show you how to cook adobo with Sinji. So we're going to heat up our pan. Okay. Alright. We're going to put oil. Siyempre, susaute muna natin ang ating garlic, ang ating onions, together with our black pepper and laurel leaves. So, konting oil for sauteing. We're going to put our garlic. Sabi nila sa adobo, the more garlic, mas masarap. So, we put more garlic. 1 head ng garlic itong ginamit natin here. Then we're going to use 2 heads of onions. Mas malasa din yung purple na onion. Yung white onion kasi more of mga matamis siya. Ako when I make adobo, gusto ko sinasabay ko na yung laurel. Pag sinusatay ko sa umpisa. And a few of our whole black pepper. Hinihintay ko muna siyang malutong maigi yung ating mag-caramelize yung onions. If you'll notice, we're outdoor kasi minamaximize namin itong panahon ng summer. Masarap lumabas. Presko, mahangin dito sa Paradise Farm. Now that the onions have caramelized and the garlic, we're going to put in the chicken. Hayaan muna natin maglabas ng juice yung chicken. Okay, let's just let it rest on the bed of our aromatics. We used 1 whole chicken in this recipe. We cover it a bit while checking on it a little later. Alright, so tignan natin ang ating manok. Ayan, after niyang maglabas ng sarili niyang juice, you'd see, no, na nagkaroon na ng sariling juice yung ating manok. We're going to put now yung pinakuluan natin na Sinji. About half a cup. We'll season it with our soy sauce. Tapos papakuluan po muna natin siya hanggang maluto ang ating manok. We'll be right back. Now, since medyo malambot na ng konti yung ating manok but it's not yet really fully cooked, we could now add the patatas para sabay na siyang magluto. The more patatas, the mas masarap. Kasi yung mga bata gusto nila yung patatas. So you would notice, dito sa ating recipe ng adobo, we did not use water. What we just used is yung juice ng manok at yung ating Sinji na, yung mixture ng ating Sinji. Yan. So we wait for a few more minutes, mga 5 or 10 minutes, and wait until the potato is cooked. Now we're going to add our vinegar. Siyempre, ang adobo ay hindi kompleto kung walang suka. Okay, so we've added the vinegar. Now we're going to add a little sugar to just contrast the taste. And a little bit more of salt. Now, we could already add up our eggs para manuot din yung lasa nung sinji at no ating adobo sa itlog. Yeah. And then we'll just let it simmer for a little bit more, a few more minutes, mga 10-15 minutes until it dries up o kung gaano yung consistency ng sauce na gusto niya. And then we'll taste it in a little while. Now we have our chicken adobo a la sinji. So, I'm going to show you our finished product. So, ito yung recipe na to. As I've said a while ago, we did not use water. Ang ginamit po natin is yung pinakuluan nating sinji. Yan. I encourage you to please try this at home. Sigurado ako mag-i-enjoy ang inyong pamilya sa kakaibang taste na naman o ibang version ng ating adobo, which is adobo with sinji. Happy eating!
Make sure you find the time and spend some money for your health before it is too late. DXN products help your body to maintain optimal health. Give them a try, and you will feel the benefits of DXN products in a more natural way. Thank you for spending your time with us.